light. Where would we be without light? As you can see, it's a pretty dismal mess in my little shop here. I got lights out up here, a total set of lights out here and there. Back there it's dark. This one's halfway working and this one above, well, it's seen its better day. Harbor Freight to the rescue. The Braun 4-foot LED hanging shop light. You say that there are 5,000 lumens. I figure with 10,000 lumens in this area right here, and then one over here by the walkway, another one over here in this area to get rid of the incandescent that's up there, and then two more up in this area right here. And then I can go ahead and take a couple bulbs from either one of these two fixtures and fill out that light fixture too. I told you I was gonna pick up another vise from Harbor Freight. I did it. I gotta go ahead and install it, but at least I got it here. This really is a nice vise. If you're interested in seeing how I mounted this and the features of this vise, take the link up there. So back to the lights. You got 4-foot shop lights here, and these are LEDs, so we'll get a lot more time out of them. And they have a on-off pull chain. Well, let's open one of these to see what it is. Ooh, spiffy. Yeah, I don't think so. That's it. That's all it comes in a box. I mean, you don't really need much more, do you? Chain, hook it up to here and here. Cord. There's one right about there. And probably the other one right about here. And that should give me plenty of light for this area. Oh, I wanted to go ahead and mention this too before I continued. The current deal on these lights is $19.99 for the light, and then I also was able to go ahead and use my 20% off coupon for the vise. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is unbox these things. Kind of disappointing I can't get this unless I go ahead and go up on the side here. There really isn't. I do got the transformers right here. There's absolutely nothing right here. I thought there might be a wire running down to the other end of the LED, and that's not even like that. So if I were to use the bench press, drill a hole right down through here, I would avoid the transformer. And anything important, I would still avoid this, and then just use a couple of drywall screws. Okay, I got the first one in, and it doesn't look too bad. Sure does brighten up this area though. I'll tell you what, there's a lot of light here. Here's what I've come up with. Since I can't go through the housing and come up the middle, what I'm going to do, or what I did here, is see this little V right here? Just drill down into the V with a hole, and then come up with this little like drywall screw. If you look down the end here, the V is actually outside of this, so I don't have any. I'm not in any danger of hitting the transformer. And I can tell you right now, this chain is way too long. I gotta shorten up those chains. So this one's marked. It's ready to go. Let's go drill it. And that's it. Then I run a couple of screws up. There we go. Good deal. Hey, hey, hey. Wow, that's pretty bright. Okay. You get the idea. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other four, and I'll check back with you when I get done. Such a big difference some light makes. Turn this dank, dark dungeon into a usable workshop now. I have all kinds of lights, and this is going to be very helpful for what I'm going to be doing down here. Check out these before and after pictures. Pretty soon, I'm going to start being able to get into this stuff, and we'll find out what's in these long cartons right here. I got some really cool projects coming up. I hope you stick with me. Smash that like button. Give me a thumbs down if you want. And by all means, leave a comment. And please do subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you. Have a great... Oh, by the way, the Braun 4-foot LED hanging shop light from Harbor Freight. Big, big, big thumbs up. I figured out a way to mount them right to the ceiling, and everything was downhill from there. Big thumbs up. Good job. Good product. We'll see how long these lights last. Take it easy.